What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin and we are in the Juniper Studios. I'm gonna do a quick video. We're out here in Costa Mesa, and the reason why I got this up is because I wanted to try out this Meta glasses that they sent me. It's the Oakley HSTN or something. I'm gonna try out this type of video. Let me know what you think, but I have to do a review, so I gotta use it. So we're gonna be using it here. We are in Costa Mesa. We're at Tokyo Central. And Abby wanted to check it out because it's way out here and I'm hungry. We haven't had lunch. We drove 58.6 miles, 10.9 kilowatt hours used, and 185.9 watt hour per mile. So, yeah, let's go. Yeah, it is going to be a little bit of a different video, like POV style, but I wonder how my car looks in 1080p. I'm recording in 1080p and not in, I think this goes as high as 2 or 3K, but not 4K, but it kills the battery, they say. So, we're going to do 1080p and hopefully my parking is okay. Let's see, hopefully the audio is good too, because this is the built-in microphone. But yeah, Tokyo Central. There is one in West Covina and I think in Gardena, but this is the one that Abby chose. We've been to the West Covina one, but supposedly this is like a bigger one with more stuff. And from my understanding, this is owned by Don Quixote or Don Coyote. I don't know. It's one of our favorite places over there in Japan. But let's go find some food. So they got some ramen here. Pricing is pretty reasonable. Ooh, look at these desserts. Mochi! Oh man! That's what that is. Okay. They got garlic pepper rice, spaghetti. Ooh, what is this? Tendon. Is that like shrimp? That's like a shrimp or something. Ooh, eel. Is that eel? Yes.
I think that's what they do.
The gyudon and some other stuff. Is that curry? Yeah. So they also have like these things where it's by the pound, $10.99 per pound. Looks pretty good. I don't know. I love Japanese food and it's very difficult for me to pick what to get. I want tempura too. They also got these onigiri rice balls too. They got some poke here also, tuna and salmon. Man, so hard to decide, but look, this is what we've gotten so far. We're gonna be grubbing. Oh, they got sushi too. I love salmon. Oh, these hand rolls. Oh my goodness. All right, we are here grubbing. Salmon there, udon or something, not udon, but what is it? Gyo something, some beans, and there's an area here where you can eat. There's microwaves over there.
What?
And yeah, let's go eat. All right, so I got shrimp tempura, takoyaki, some beans, and some karagu chicken, yakisoba, and some rice. So they got these machines here. Look at the toys. I think it's $1 per something, like per button pressing. Ooh, look at that, sushi. Out of order. So sorry. Alright, Piyomaru. Don't know any of these things, but Yeah, in Japan, they got a bunch of vending machines everywhere, from food to games. All right, we're gonna go, and we got leftovers right here. Look at this, 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 look at this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, yeah, automatic Frunk. Shout out to Hand Show. That is from Hand Show. They have a special coupon they gave me for the holiday season, so make sure you go and check out the video description, because there's a special discount. So I could either close it on the app, or I can press this button right here. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Look at that. Alright, we're gonna go back in. I just had to drop off some stuff. Abby's gonna get some more stuff to bring home, and I'm gonna go find some dessert. Oh my gosh, I think I found the tea that I drink at the vending machines in Japan. Royal milk tea. Kocha Kaden. I mean, it looks like it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go and try it out. See, some of these cans look familiar, because they have vending machines with drinks there. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I don't know. They look familiar, but then I don't know. But this one is what I'm going to try. Hopefully it's this one. Okay, we're gonna step outside real quick, because it's cold in there. But we're gonna go and try this out. Oh my goodness. It's hard to open. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I think this is the one. It tastes like it. J Hope. All right. You know, I tried the Meta glasses to translate some words in there, and it doesn't like work. Only certain languages are supported. So that's one thing I'm going to be talking about in the review that I have to do with these glasses. It doesn't support all the languages. I've even tried downloading additional ones, and Japanese is not one of them. Yeah, so I've been reviewing some footage on the phone, and one thing I have to get used to if I'm going to use this glasses camera is not to like move my head fast, because I got dizzy a little bit, so I gotta remember not to move my head fast. So I'm just panning. It's a little weird for me, because usually I have my Osmo Pocket, and I would flip the camera to my face, and then I would talk, and then I'll flip it around and just record the surroundings. But so there's a Cybertruck there. There is a Quicksilver Juniper here. I still like that color, but I like my color right there even more. I've never seen this Spam. Look at that, with bacon. Then teriyaki Spam. So is it like Spam musubi, like pre-made already? What? Wow. So they got Buddha's tapioca pearl here, aka boba. I didn't know they were this small before they start becoming big. And I didn't even know Buddha had them. Alright. Oh, see, these are the larger ones right here. Whoa, they got a kit? An instant boba kit? You have a pink one, oh, black tea, and matcha as the green box. What is the purple one? Is it Uba Jam? Oh, taro. Okay. They have a Hello Kitty boba one too. What? Whoa, they got a matcha Onibi cream stout. Huh, might have to check that out. What else do they got here? Peach Pale Ale. Hybrid Blonde Ale. Brewed with steamed rice and sake. Interesting. Huh. This is one of my favorite beers. Sapporo Black. You'll never go back. Ooh, what is that? Ichigo beer. This is cool. They got craft beer. Okay. Is this a Hefeweizen? They got Dragon Ball drinks, sparkling water, Super Saiyan Rose, Goku drink. Wow. I think I've tried this. Is this the one where you have to pop the top or something? Yeah, these things are so sweet. Very sweet. It'll jump my A1C to like 10 if I drink one of those. They're really sweet. Liquid sugar, pretty much. Oh, these are good. Oh, these are good. This one I like, but with the wasabi little kick to it. This one doesn't have wasabi, it looks like. But these are good. Good with beer. Yeah, so they got these, and they also got like some chews right here. My kids, they chew on these. I don't know if I could do it, but whenever they get like a sore throat or something, that's what they chew on, and it supposedly works. I don't know. I can't do it. I tried it. It's like really hot. Like, I don't know if the correct word is spicy, but it's hot. But apparently these are supposed to be good. Ginger chews, and then they got like a drink form right here. Alright, here is the status on our shopping cart. We are filling it up. Oh man, there's some sound in here? What? Okay. Alright, we are finally leaving. $400 later. Man. I tell you, this is my new favorite right here. Being able to open the frunk and trunk. So we just got home, 34% state of charge. We left with 71% state of charge. Real quick, on the way home, while FSD, this audio system unavailable thing came on. Oop. And yeah, I don't know. It's weird. And also my door has been malfunctioning. The driver rear door has been malfunctioning. I have a video coming up on that, so just stay tuned for that. But let's go over the trip data. 113.9 miles driven, 26.1 kilowatt hours of energy used, 229.4 watt hour per mile. So back to this error. While driving, it just had that sound, and I thought it was like part of the music that I was listening to, like it glitched. And then it says horn and or chime may not function. The horn functioned while I was driving. I tested it, and then it also did a like a recording. I hear it beep, so that part was working. Maybe it's just a glitch. I don't know. But the gremlin seemed to be back and now attacking this car. So hopefully we can get this situated. Yeah, so hopefully you like this video. It's a little bit different, like POV style. I'm trying to get used to it. Not moving my head so much so that the footage isn't like moving side to side or whatever. But I've been trying out FSD v14.1.4. Standard is what I'm liking, but it's more aggressive than before as far as changing lanes, but I think it's still doing a good job. There are some improvements, but yeah, I'm enjoying FSD even more so. But that's it for this video. Once again, Hansho did give me a special coupon for you guys to use during the holiday season. So check out the video description for that. Some additional discounts if you want anything from their website, like the Auto Frunk. I also have a video on that coming soon. I'm just all over the place with the video release and everything. But yes, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.